When I saw the pool, I turned and ran back to town because I wanted to tell the others. When Rusty saw the pool, he turned and ran back to the town because he wanted to tell the others. So, this line reflects when someone discovers something new, how much the person is curious to tell about it to others. The story reflects the psychology of a young boy, how much he is curious to tell about in the discovery of this new pool. He wanted to tell it to others. Anil and Somi were my closest friends. Anil and Somi were my closest friends. Now the writer introduces two other characters, Anil and Somi. They were closest friends of Rusty. Anil lived in a crowded lane of the Dilaram Bazaar. Anil lived in a crowded lane of the Dilaram Bazaar. He was wild and a little dangerous. Now, through Rusty, the writer is telling about the characteristics of the uh, two characters, Anil and Somi. He was wild and a little dangerous. Anil was wild and a little dangerous, subject to moods and impulses. Subject to moods and impulses means he acted according to his mood and his feelings. But he had a certain animal charm. He had a certain animal charm. He behaved like the activities of animal. Somi, on the other hand, was sensitive. Somi, on the other hand, was sensitive, while Somi was sensitive, gentle in his ways. So, the writer through Rusty says that Anil and Somi had quite different temperament, but in common with Anil, he had a sense of fun and an instinct for adventure. But if we find the common qualities in Anil and Somi, they both had a sense of fun and an instinct. Instinct means spark for adventure. Both had an instinct, a tendency for adventure, means finding new things. They usually chose the adventures we were to have, and I would just grumble. They usually chose the adventures. They were of adventurous temperament and say they chose new activities, and I would just grumble. Rusty. He would just grumble means he expressed his annoyance at the new activities and allow myself to be involved in them. But later on, he allowed himself to be involved in them. But the pool was my own discovery. But if we talk about some new adventure, the pool was discovered by Rusty. It was the discovery of Rusty, and I was proud of it. And Rusty was proud of discovering the pool. We shall call it Rusty's pool, said Somi. Somi said that as the pool was discovered by Rusty, they would call the pool as Rusty's pool. And remember, it is a secret pool. And he said that they should remember that it was a secret pool. It was discovered by Rusty. No one else must know about it. It was a secret pool, and no one else must know about.